fine right now. My
Okay.
internet's fast. I don't know why.
Well, it could have
Like,
just been one problem last night that caused it.
well, but I don't know. Then it wouldn't let me connect at all just a little bit ago. So I'm gonna have to go figure out what my oh crap. Look at BHDCNY. I mean, it's kind of already there wherever there is, but
What do you mean? I mean, it's already there. I mean, that's what do you
it's
mean? It's
kind of
just
in a kind of in a massive line already. It's kind of we're
where
kind of late.
that line's.
BH,
I don't BHD. Are you sure you're in 1 minute
BHDCNY. I'm
candles?
just skimming charts right now, but
Are you in 1 minute candles? Because I don't see any line that's
I
at. But
am. Yeah.
I mean,
You don't see any of that?
well, I mean, I see where it is. I don't know that it's at any line. It busted through. I mean, uh, let's see. You know what number you're at? You got the right number in there, like 100 and something or whatever.
108.34.
Okay, fine. I don't know what it is, but yeah, you.
108.34. I'm looking at CHF JPY right now. What's your thoughts on that?
Oh, that's a blown. It's on the wall. Yeah, that's whoa. That blew
No, it's just
through.
now touching.
I guess I guess it just now touched, but it kind of blew through the lines there before. Like I don't know. This doesn't give me.
It kind of did. Yeah, I noticed that.
I mean, it could go
It
up.
kind of blew a lot through.
It blew through
It's kind of
the 30-second thing. Now it's. Um,
it kind of already did what I thought it might do, but
it was a
it just
giant
was.
candle. A giant. It's a giant uptrend. Giant candle. Yeah.
It's kind of late at this point.
Yeah, for
Uh,
what we're doing, I mean, look at that. It's jumping up there again, but it's actually got some levels that it could go to up here. Like, I don't know. This got a lot of up pressure, though. Like, I think this one's continuing to rise. I don't know. That's one. That one's kind of weird. I need to find one that's like moving and not already doing. Okay. Oh crap. Euro RUB. Go to that one. Yeah, we got time on this one. This one might be Euro RUB has kind of hit the level. It's starting. It's like it's 30 seconds into that candle. It's starting to retract. I don't know. That one looks like it's kind of at a
oh
level.
yeah, it's totally hitting levels right now. RSI touch, but it's
But is it
kind of
going to
like
have one more candle pullback? I think it could,
well,
dude.
that's the problem is that this is the candle I probably would have went for
Oh,
because
you
the
probably would have
last one
entered on that. You would have entered on that previous
on
green.
this candle because the last candle was the one that
Yeah, the last candle was the one that reached way up there, and that would have been a win. Yep, that would have
yeah.
been a win. So I mean, we're in the right waters here, but well, oh, I don't know. Oh man. Oh, that would have. I don't know, dude.
It would have been close,
That
but
would have been
yeah.
close, but I think it would have won.
Yeah.
But that, dang, that's crazy, dude. Look at that. Yeah, that's kind of a big uptrend. I think it could break through there. I don't know, man. If it breaks above there, I don't know. I hate to take a breakout candle because
Yeah.
it's like you got to kind of, you
I
know,
want to see like a okay,
like a slow climb.
look at MAD USD. This is kind of unconventional, but look at where it's at. And it honestly looks like if it breaks that line, like it would continue going down, but the RSI is kind of like touched, but
Yeah.
I'm thinking it could like keep going down, but I don't know. That's kind
Oh,
of
I
a
think this. No, you're right. This is a big 10-minute level across the board there. If it breaks below there, I think yeah, that could be a breakout because it's in a downtrend, right? It kind of got stuck there. It's
yeah.
kind of at a line. I think if it
There's a wick right there, and it's kind of pushing against that.
yeah, if we get past this wick, we could take a one more candle. But look how it's bouncing back up. You know, I don't know. It
Yeah, I
wants
don't
to,
know. It's gutsy
but it wants to go. I mean, let's see in the 30-second.
because
Yeah,
the problem is that this candle is going to touch the RSI, which means that it could just go down one more candle, and that could be it. It's got a lot of up pressure. It doesn't
well,
look
yeah,
like
it's
a
not. It hasn't broken out of there yet. It would
yeah.
almost have to break out and because right now it's real too many wicks down there to be dangerous.
Yeah,
Like
it's
it
kind of
could
outside my
could go
comfort
either
zone.
way at this point.
Yeah,
It didn't really show us like a full break. Like every time it goes down, it gets shoved up back up. Like let's just watch it because like you'd have to enter it, don't enter it, but you'd enter it there, and it really has upward pressure. Like I just don't know.
yeah. I'm
That's the breakout candle. It closed outside of the level, but I mean,
kind of like off that chart. Uh,
yeah, that one's just at that level where it could go either way. Yeah, it's going way back up. Tracy Town, $30 payment a trade. What? I don't know what that is. Huh.
what was that chart?
I'm still on that same chart.
Yeah, I'm just looking till I see something. Was that MAD/USD? Is that what that was?
MAD/USD is now it's breaking down. Like now it's now
Yeah,
it's breaking out, but it's still kind of got these weird wicks. It's
it's
not
kind of
moving
not.
real steady, but it's about to have an RSI break. But I don't know, man. It like
It's not. It's a gutsy move.
yeah, because it's
Like
kind of it could like
everything
jump
about
up.
it
It
looks like
could
it wants to
jump
go
up.
back at any
Yeah,
point.
I
Yeah.
feel like a longer trade put here would be good because it's breaking out, but it could return. Yeah, I don't know. This one is kind of The problem with it is it's kind of bouncy. It's kind of like going down and then getting shot back up every time it goes down a little further. Although it will get down to this level down here. You know what? I'm going to keep watching this one because it's going to go down to this real level and probably turn around. But I guess we'd have to be watching it, or at least it's kind of
Okay.
heading. It'll be way blown by then in terms of RSI. I guess we need to look at RSI touches. Charts that
CHF/JPY. It's RSI touching, but it's kind of like, yeah, I don't know. Because it didn't have a real consistent climb. It kind of went up and down. It's more of a trend, I guess. But and so and
dang.
now it's kind of coming back.
CHF/JPY did kind of touch. Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
What time are we gonna leave?
Break. Okay. The chart that I'm looking at, GBP odd is setting up for a touch. I mean, I don't know. The RSI touches haven't really been obeying as much.
Yeah, it's kind of like halfway, but
I don't know though. BHD, C, and Y obeyed really well. I mean, it bounced right off there. It hit there and bounced off. Okay, so that one obeyed. So yeah, there are some obeying. Okay, go to odd NZD. Odd NZD looks like it could be setting up for an RSI touch on the one.
it's kind of like at the bottom right now. It's either going to push down past this line here.
Well, but look where the RSI is going to. It hasn't gotten there yet, but it could go there. It could go here. It's got some levels, not any major ones.
A lot of red candles, but it's kind of like hitting the bottom of that channel. It's at the bottom of the Keltner channel.
Oh yeah, I don't care about that much. Yeah, I
no,
mean,
but it's kind of like
it turned around too quick though. That one turned around way too quick. Okay, GBP odd. Look at that one, dude. That's okay. GBP odd is going towards a line for sure. It's gonna RSI touch. It's got like really strong candles down.
Oh yeah,
it's getting ready to hit a line down there. That's a pretty strong line right there.
And then let me see. Mark it out on your screen.
I'm marking the levels there.
Okay, so that's what you're talking about. Okay, all that.
Yeah, probably like right around.
What time frame is that?
That's 10 minutes, but I'm just trying to get a
So you're saying the bottom of all this.
I'm saying that this right here, like this black line, if it RSI touched there or here, either one of these, see it's already had kind of a pullback though. But see, it's going to hit the bottom. It's going to hit this black line I've got drawn, and that's where it's bounced a bunch. So I don't know. That could be a big bouncer, but it's not RSI touched yet, but it is. Well, in the 30-second RSI touched for sure. It's weird because the 30-second and 1 minute RSIs are kind of off to at least they're not synced up. So I guess because the 1 minute RSI will.
So if it hits this line, do you want to take a call?
Yeah, I think so. If we watch it and if it goes down and hits it,
I mean,
right
it's a
now
pretty straight. It does tend to bounce off that. I mean,
yeah,
historically.
dude, it has bounced off that a lot. It came from the bottom and the top, so it's a strong level. If it got down there and didn't look ridiculous,
I mean, it's having trouble. It's slowly going down there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This candle might hit it, and then
This candle might be the one to hit it, and if it does, I feel like well, is this candle not going to go there? It just depends if this candle goes all the way down
it's
there.
kind of iffy, but I mean, it'd be good to watch it for a minute. Just watch it because it might go down there. This 30 seconds will tell us something. It's not touching yet.
Now it's pushing kind of hard though.
Yeah, that's what we want, right? We want it
That
to
is
push
what we
down
want.
there. don't want
Because
it
if
to
it
keep doing
pushes
that.
hard, it's gonna probably bounce hard off of it. But if it
Yeah, if it keeps farting around, this isn't gonna make it.
right, that's why it's only got 12 seconds. I don't think it's gonna get there.
But
I'm-
just wait, one more
I'm
candle
not
might
taking
do it.
anything until I see a candle that touches that line with some level of force.
Yeah, and doesn't
'cause-
just bust through it.
Because it kind of dojied out there, which means it's stuck right here.
Yeah.
It's not gonna go to that line.
Yet. Well,
Not
watch
yet.
It. Watch it. This could. It's probably going to shoot down there. If it shoots down there and touches the RSI, then take it. But if it doesn't, then don't.
Because the last time it had an RSI touch, it blew through. If you look back a little ways,
Yeah.
this candle looks like it could go, but
It's just a matter of if it goes down there with the right force.
did it
at the
kind
right
of
time.
reload though, and it's going to go through it?
Yeah.
That's the other question.
Yeah. That is a good question.
Because it dojied out there, like it kind of reloaded, took a break.
Yeah. Yeah. This could just shove right through.
That kind of scares me, honestly.
Yeah, because if it hits there, it might. It's not. The RSI isn't touching yet. I mean, it hasn't touched yet. It's
No.
probably not going to touch in this candle.
But there's the line, but I don't know.
It hasn't touched the line yet. Almost. Well, yeah. I guess that's kind of the line.
Yeah, and it's just blowing through. Well, so far it's extended through there.
Well, this is about the line right here, and watch
So it looks like the next line would be that lower one.
Mother stinkers. Well, no, that would have been a touch. It touched and it moved. It just didn't.
Yeah, but
RSI
it kept
touch.
going through too.
Dang
Pushed
it, dang
right
it.
through it. The RSI never fully touched.
Well, yeah, you're right. The RSI is off. I mean, it's off for sure because that was
Man.
totally a turnaround.
And it at first it looked like it was pushing through to that lower line.
It did look like it was going to go through. In fact, it probably is going to. Right?
Yeah, I just don't.
I mean, I don't know. It's a pretty strong line. It could turn around from here and be burned, or it could go down to. Well, let's just say that the RSI hasn't touched yet. I mean,
no.
Maybe we just wait for it to touch and watch this chart though, because this chart is actually burned to me. It's got huge wicks on each side.
Right.
Like that doesn't make any. That's not a. Now the climb that it took before, that was a good climb. It climbed way up, had a huge green candle. That was perfect. Like that was a perfect setup, dude. That was like that green mountain on the other side of the mountain there. That's perfect. It went right up. It shoots straight up.
Yeah.
This one could go down to the bottom of this candle. And touch. It's not. It's taking its time. I think it's going to break through this line, and gonna go down to probably this. I mean, it could go down here. This is probably the next zone of interest because last time it got here, it just jumped right off there. It's taking forever though. Like it might just be ready because it might shoot down there like crazy. It might just shoot like boom. It might just go down like. Yeah, this could shoot down, dude. If this shoots down in the next one candle, you could probably take a.
What is it now? I'm like off of it. GBP odd.
Yeah.
What's the payout on that?
It's 83%.
I was gonna say it had a drop because it's not in my 92.
This is probably. I'm just gonna watch this to see if this candle could probably hit that, but it's not. It's 82%. It's going down in payout. I don't understand that part, but I can't get too excited. All right, I'm just gonna get off this. It's off a payout. I'm gonna go look for another RSI touch.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Okay, so CHF JPY. It already
Yeah.
kind of touched and bounced, but the level it's going for now is probably more like right here. It could touch again and relieve again. Like look at this candle. Oh yeah, this candle could be it, dude. That's an RSI touch right there. I would take a put if it at the end of this candle, right? Yeah, do it.
You
dude.
want to?
That's gonna relieve.
It looks like it could. It's a big candle.
And it's at a level. I mean, it's at a massive level.
It is.
right there.
It is at a level. So we'll see what it does. This is. I mean, we're in. So
Right now it's
we're either going to
winning.
win it or lose it. I'm going to.
Well,
watch
it went up. Okay, so the RSI on this one went up, touched. It had a big red candle. I mean, it touched the RSI about 5 minutes ago.
Mhm.
Went right back down. Then it went right back up, touched it again. Oh God!
Okay, look
thank you.
at this in 10 seconds. It
Oh,
is
dude, in
dr-
30 seconds, it's freaking huge, dude.
10
That was
seconds.
a massive.
It is massive. Massive.
Okay, we got 20
10
seconds.
seconds.
Oh, dude, it's
It is
yeah.
just falling like a rock here in 10 seconds.
Okay, 15 seconds. We're gonna win this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna win this because, dude, that was a massive
Oh,
touch on a line.
this is a win if I've ever seen it. I mean, we're so far from that candle.
Oh yeah, dude. It's only got what 5 seconds left. Yeah, it's a total win. I mean, 2 seconds,
2,
1
1,
second.
boom, win.
Boom, textbook, baby.
Payout $208.01.
All right, here we go. I gotta hit this button. Dude, I gotta hit the math on this to make sure we got the right thing. But yeah, that's how it's done, man.
I'm at $2,155.87.
That's how it's done, dude. I'm telling you.
That's what I'm saying, dude. We spotted that turnaround. I feel like when there's a massive candle and a line and an RSI touch,
Well, yeah, that's
there's no better calculating than that.
well, that line was massive. I mean, it was hit there, hit there, hit there, hit there, hit there, and it climbed up. It hit it, bounced out. Now it could have broken it, but because it was such a big candle and such a strong line, and the RSI, it all happened at once, dude. It reached up there, touched the RSI, touched that line. Now I do think this will break. I think this will probably break over this, and it'll go up because it's in a climbing trend. It's in a higher.
Before we get too far into this, I need to change my dollar figure.
That's what I need to do. I'm mathing that out. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was what was this Monday? Did we traded last night and we lost, right? We lost that 48.15.
Right.
What was
But
that?
the payout
108?
was also bigger because we're trading at 2.25, and that was a third trade. So,
Yeah.
so the payout was 208. The trade was 108. So we made $100 on that.
Yeah, $99, yeah. What was it, 108 something or just 108? It was just 108, right?
No, it was 108 and some change. Let me see. It was okay. So 108.34 was the trade.
All right, so we made $100.
Payout was
exactly.
208 and 1 cent.
All right, so there we got that. So we got a 57% win rate.
So what did that? Okay, so that paid us on 2 losses and then gave us a profit of the $19 win, right? So it's like $20 profit altogether for the win, and then plus put back the $48
60
we
or,
lost, right?
Yeah, we'd lost.
Yeah,
No, we'd
but
lost
it
60
actually
some
put back
dollars.
more than
We'd lost like a 40. We'd lost a 48 and a 21. So we'd lost a 40. We'd lost like 60, 70 bucks. 48, 58, 68, 60. We'd lost $69, almost $70. So it put back the 70 and gave us a profit.
plus
full
some.
profit.
It was actually a bigger profit.
Yeah, it was like a
than-
$30 profit. So total profit. Okay, so right now we're at 57% win rate, 12 trades, 12 winning trades, a total profit of $263. It's doing the math. 263. Okay, that's not bad.
And what's the next trade? Do you know it?
Yeah, the next trade is going to be because we have to put this as a win. So we're on win 12. We got win 12. So we're going to be at 2160.
21.60. Okay.
Man,
Okay.
This is like a slow burn, man.
It's a slow burn, but man, I've never felt safer doing this.
Yeah.
Okay,
well, that's
look,
true.
holy crap. Look at CHF JPY now. It's only at a 90% payout. That's still pretty good, but look at it's headed down to a line.
Mm-hmm.
going to hit
Oh.
the bottom of that. I actually feel like that's going to pull back. I don't think it's going to blow through that.
It
But
probably will because it went through this blue line right here. This blue line is like its trend. It broke the trend line, but it always wants to return. So
when
I
it
mean,
hits the bottom of the white line there from the top side, usually wants to pull back. But
I don't know if I have a white line on there. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. I have my white line off, but yeah, that would have been a trade. But there was no RSI touch there, but still.
no, but my indication was that it was it
hit the white
30
line.
line.
Yeah.
It hit the 50, which sometimes, if you look back at this, hitting
Yeah,
the
it does
middle
bounce
line,
off the 50.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It does. It's probably gonna like long term go down, but yeah, I think this one it's gonna struggle there. All these I'm gonna reset these charts because mine all went to like 80%. What's your total account balance?
2,155.87.
Dang, dude. USD CHF is touching RSI right now.
Okay, what is it?
USD CHF, you're gonna miss it, but I'm not sure if it's the right one or not. Yeah, I mean it's
Well,
I mean,
it's
I
really
literally saw that
just
the
kind of
last
a
second.
trend, but it's got a lot of brokenness to it. I mean, it's
Yeah.
just a lot of combination of red and green.
It's a lot of down pressure, so I mean it doesn't have it hasn't really swooped up to anything, and it's kind of
Yeah.
it's not
The
dang.
been kind of riding the 30 line.
Oh wow. Look at MAD USD. MAD USD is oh crap, dude, this is breaking into a big this is a really big strong 10-minute line. It's
MAD USD?
MAD USD, yeah, that's
It's
massive.
past your line, but is it hitting a line now?
It's hitting a line and it's
You want me to
RSI
call this?
Yeah, I'd call this when it ends for the
Yeah, 'cause that's a
20.
massive line.
It's fine. It breaks. That's fine. It's touching right now.
Okay,
Yeah,
4, 3, 2, 1, boom.
Yeah, I mean, there's
Call
a
it.
possibility that
That
breaks
is a
through.
big line, though. I mean, it's got to. If it doesn't relieve, I'll be surprised. It's
Yeah,
a good calculation. It was an RSI touch, and
It's an RSI touch at a massive line with a giant red candle.
With a
So
giant red candle.
I think for a minute you definitely get a little.
well, look
pullback
at 10
here.
seconds. 10 seconds, it is
Oh, yeah,
definitely
that's-
climbing back
Oh,
up.
dude, yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's definitely gonna. It might. The problem is that might magnetize itself. Like it might try to go back down.
It could.
But it at least for a minute, it's got a nice.
If it
got
could
a nice.
just relieve for 1 minute, I mean, in 10
your
seconds.
position is really good too.
In 10 seconds, we're holding over the line.
Yeah, we're holding over the line here too.
Now, will that last? Time will tell.
I think so. We've only got 12 seconds left. Oh yeah, dude. I think this will work. Unless it does some shoot down at the last second.
Okay. Here we go. 3,
There we go.
1, and that's all she wrote. We got another one in the bag.
Boom. That was nice, dude.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. So that's what I'm saying. If you have a massive line, an RSI touch, I mean, like a massive candle that is really kind of overextended, and an RSI touch and the line, there's no better calculation than that.
Yeah, that was a massive line. Look at this in the 1 minute. Look back there. That's like boom, boom, boom. I mean, at least
What's
if
my
it's
next trade? I'm ready to type it in. So,
2180.
Okay, 2180. Okay, now let's talk about what we did there.
Yeah,
Okay,
I mean,
give me the rundown.
well, I mean, look at the lines. It hit
Oh,
here,
yeah,
hit
that's
here,
pretty
hit
massive.
here. When it got down there, it shot way down there. I didn't mind that it broke it because I thought
Overextended
it just
just a little bit.
overextended. And
Yeah.
the RSI touch was like literally perfect on that candle. I mean, it just went boom. But that is a massive. If you look at it in a 10-minute, it's a massive line. I mean, it's been. Yeah, I don't even think this is. Who knows if it's going to break it? It doesn't even matter if it breaks it or not now because we already won. So
We already won. Yeah.
that's
What I'm saying. If we get one more win, I'm going to call it a night because that's a good.
that's a true sniper. Yeah.
Okay, actually, MAD USD. Look at it now. It's actually climbing up to where we could get another put or take a put. Look at it. It's just heading straight up. Hits this next level. It's probably going to RSI touch again.
I don't
Well, it's just
know.
going
I
to
don't know if
drop.
it's
I
going to
don't
get
know.
all the way back up. I don't know if it's going to
Wait,
RSI
hold on.
touch.
I'm still in 10 seconds. That's
Yeah,
why.
it's going to hit the 50 line, and I do think it is doing what you said. I mean, it is going to relieve, but
It's going to hit the top of that red candle and then
which it kind of already did. Look, it hit it
Yeah.
and it just bounced down already.
yeah.
Oh, that's. I'm gonna look for some more RSI touches. It look like. But yeah, that chart's pretty good for today. Some of these are going sideways now. That one's a big overextension. Man, that's a lot of RSI touches. I think go to USD BDT.
US.
USD BDT.
What kind of find it? What's the payout on it?
92.
Oh, it's 92. Okay, it's way at the bottom of my list.
It's,
Okay.
I don't understand this one. This one's kind of weird, but it's got some low levels. It's got some levels. It might be an RSI touch. It's got some pretty big. It's kind of
Down there and hits the bottom of those,
yeah. If
those-
it drops down and hits the bot anywhere
then
like
that's
this,
going to be a turnaround call there because it's going to relieve.
you got 1 minute on this candle, 50 seconds. So if it does some kind
If
of
it
big
pushes
shove
down
down
there, we're taking a call.
yeah. If it shoves down,
If
here,
it doesn't
now,
give up right here.
kind of gave up early. The problem with this one is there's a lot of little mini levels it could be adjusting to, like there. I mean, but still, it didn't RSI touch yet. But it doesn't mean it won't. It could still RSI touch down here. But that's a pretty big pullback.
Yeah.
But it's been doing that. Look at the RSI over the last 10 minutes. It's been kind of doing this weird, like, mountain where it goes down, up, all the way down. It's heading down. It hasn't touched yet.
Yeah. Oh,
I don't know. It's not as smooth as I would like.
I kind of wish that would just plummet down there and hit that, but it isn't going to, apparently.
I think there's too many levels here. There's way too
There's
much
a
noise.
lot of crap going on there.
That's
Yeah.
a lot of noise, and I think it's just not going to do it. I just don't think it's going to be that. I don't think it's be as smooth as we want it to be.
No. Okay, though. Odd NZD, it's been just zigzagging in this little box. That's due to break out and probably go down for a while. You see it?
Yeah, it's got a
If
pretty
it
big
breaks
box.
out of this box, it's going to go down. It's been in that box for a while. And I don't think it's going to go up from here. I think it's going to go down.
Okay, let
that's
me
my-
look and see what they
That's
got.
my guess.
Yeah, I mean, this is kind of, it's kind of an uptrend, but it's really broken up. So it could easily turn and go down. It could relieve. That one, yeah, we'll come watch that one. It kind of hit the bottom of the box and bounced up again. Just don't know. I mean, I love a box breakout, you know? I mean, it's just I don't know if it's just, where's the bottom of the box? The bottom of the box gets kind of
It's kind of
iffy.
all, yeah, it's not real defined, but
I guess right there would be the bottom. It's the bottom there, the bottom there, the bottom there. That's a lot
but
of
it's headed
touches.
towards it. It's kind of heading that way. The Keltner channel kind of goes sideways.
Yeah. This one hasn't really touched the RSI, at least in this last 20 minutes. It hasn't it's just been stuck in the middle.
Yeah.
So what do you
Could you
think?
give me a beef and cheddar? Okay. Okay.
Why doesn't this continue higher? I guess it could do either. Yeah, it could.
I
do
tend to
either.
think it's not going to go up, but I don't know. It's going to it's just kind of expansion right there. And then I predict it's going to drop because it's right along the 50 line. And it's just been going between the 50 and 70. And I think eventually it's just going to drop below the 50. And I think it's about to do it now. See that? Because it didn't go
Yeah,
back up again.
I guess you're right. It didn't get higher again. So
Yeah.
but by the time it breaks, Yeah, well, let's watch it because if it breaks out of this box really well, then
then
Probably pretty
then
safe.
it's a put, and we're probably going to win it. But the thing is, it's got to break that line, the bottom line there.
yeah, it's
Because if
having a
it
hard time
doesn't,
even
then we
getting down
don't
there.
know. See, now it's going back up. It kind of threw me in a loop there.
Now it's getting higher. I'll mark the bottom of these. I'll mark these so we can come back to
Set
them.
an alarm or something.
I'm setting an alarm on the bottom of this just because right
But
now it could go either way.
BHD CNY, yeah, it's kind of burnt in a way because it kind of went up there. It kind of hit where I thought it might hit, and then unless it breaks this line, but there was never an RSI touch.
Well, this one right here could touch the RSI, and when it does, it's been going up long enough to, like, it's going up long enough.
But it already had some relief candles there.
All right, Odd ZND just broke the top of that channel, dude.
What is it?
Odd NZD just broke the top of that channel like crazy. I just don't think that's our trade.
Wait, is that what we were just looking at?
Yeah. You could probably take
crap.
a
call on it.
Yeah, right now in 5 seconds.
Do you
could
want me
probably
to?
call it. Yeah, probably.
All right, let's
Because
try
it's going
it,
for an
'cause it's about
RSI
to
touch.
break up.
It's going for an RSI touch, dude. And it's heading up there. Unless it tries to go back to its channel, which sometimes it will, but you know, that just went crazy out there. Like that broke the top. It's struggling, which kind of makes me nervous, but I think it really does want to just keep going.
So money.
So far it's in and out of the money. It's in and out of the
No,
money.
we're not in the money. We're about to be. We are in the money right current. No, we're not.
Yes, it's in and out of the money, dude.
Now it is. Now it's in the money. Now it's out. Now it's
It's in and it's out.
It's
You're
in,
correct
it's
about it.
out.
Dude, why is it stuck like there? Dude, okay, it's gonna jump now. It's got 20 seconds. I think it's just gonna freaking jump. Like
Come on,
it
jump
already
up.
it already
wanna
broke
see-
this. I
now-
don't want
now-
it to go back in there. I don't want it to go back into its little hole. It's
Oh crap!
hold
We
on.
might lose this one. No,
10
we're gonna
seconds.
lose it.
Oh
Yeah,
crap.
it's going down. We've lost it.
Dang it.
We lost this one.
I don't know, dude. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh man, let's count down for the win. That was a dangerous trade, but you know,
Yeah.
that's fine. I mean, look at that.
I had the idea when it had that kind of momentum that I thought it was probably going to just,
Oh, dude, I thought it was going to go up another 3 green candles.
Yeah,
Because that's what
I
it usually
thought.
does.
Usually when something like that happens, yeah.
But that magnet was just
I guess
too
the moral
strong.
of the story is that tonight, if you see a big candle, it's gonna relieve on the next one.
Oh, right. Yeah. That's
Because our other wins were that. Now it's just plummeting. So
Well, I
well-
was looking at this other chart.
what's the next trade going to be? 40 something.
Crap, I don't know, but that was good. We got 2 wins.
We got 2 wins, and we're only on a second trade now. That's good. So I'll figure this out. So 2180 times 2.25, 4905.
Yeah, 4905. Yeah. Why does my camera look grainy again? Hold on. No, it doesn't look grainy. It looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it just looks grainy when it goes in the little tiny box. All right, that's it for tonight. We'll hang out a little bit, but this is outro. So we're up 2 wins. Yeah, we're climbing, dude. We got 13. We got
Yeah.
13 wins so far.
I know, dude. We did pretty good.
13. We're on our way to 100, dude.
We're doing good. We're gonna get there.
Might
Well,
be
so
close.
at 100 wins, just to recap, because I don't know, what trade? What is our trade beginning
100
trade?
wins. Our
after
beginning
100?
trade is $46.
Mhm.
Our trading balance is almost $5,000, so we're soaring at that point, dude.
Wow. Yeah.
I mean, we're 13% there now to $5,000. I mean, that's gonna more than double our account when we get there.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's really just not that hard to just take it little by little, just keep winning.
No, dude. Because every night, dude, we're chipping away at this, and
Yeah, this is a chip away kind of plan.
and even at when we go 3 deep in a martingale, I'm convinced we would have had a win last night if it wasn't for the lag.
Oh
but
yeah, we won that trade last night, other than the lag. So,
we did. But
I
even
guess it doesn't matter because we got it back tonight.
because
So.
we got it back tonight, and really, actually make even more.
Yeah.
Because we're trading at 2.25. Technically, for a 92% payout, you only have to have like an exact martingale is like 1.91 or something like that, or 1.92 or something. It's not a full 2.25. 2.25 is what's needed for an 80% payout to get your money back plus a win. So we actually are, the way we're doing it, we're actually getting even more profit on a martingale. So so it's actually faster the way we're doing it.
So we had 2 wins. Yeah, well, every single win is a net win. That's really the beautiful thing about this.
Right, it is.
So our win rate now is still 57%.
Which compared to the dumpster fire that we started out with, remember when we were trying to find a strategy, like in the first few days
Yeah,
of
dude,
this,
we had like a 30% win rate that first
we had
week.
the worst win rate I've ever seen of anybody. Like,
yeah, it was bad, dude. It was bad.
Like, take a 3-minute on this. Oh, let's go 5.
Yeah, that was kind of a mess. At least now we literally know exactly what we're looking for.
We know exactly what we're looking for, and we can see it coming a mile away.
It broke out again to the top side of that big chart. I mean,
Did it?
Yeah, but it keeps pulling. It keeps breaking and pulling, breaking and pulling. That's so dangerous. We should have known that chart's dangerous. Look how many big red candles in green either way.
Right.
It's kind of like going all over the place. All right, we're out of here.